Friends, we are here in Antarctica with my friends, the penguin. It's going to be very cool. This song is about a baby penguin who wishes to travel all over the globe and explore tropical climates and may come up against some obstacles along the way. For this song on the choruses, we're going to move our bodies a bit. Now, can you show me what does it look like to waddle like a penguin? Can you waddle like a penguin? Oh, we're waddling around like penguins. Very nice. Now, what would it look like if a penguin was driving a car? I know that's a silly idea and penguins can't drive cars, but for the sake of imagination, let's pretend our penguin is driving, I don't know, something like a mid-sized sedan, just chilling, driving their car. You could use one hand if you're feeling real extra confident, or you could use two hands. I'm a very cautious driver, so I use two hands. And finally, can you show me what it looks like when a penguin flies? I know, penguins can't fly. I see my friends out there, they're saying, Farmer Dave, penguins are flightless birds. They are flightless birds. And again, using our imaginations, we're going to imagine that this penguin can fly an airplane. So anytime we hit the chorus, the lyrics will cue you when to move your bodies. This is called Snowbird. Again, grab your instruments and jam along. Here we go. Well, I've never been to Hawaii. I've never surfed in California. Well, I heard great things about Morocco. I've always wanted to see Montego Bay. I'd like to winter up north with the snowbirds, playing bingo in Boca Raton. Then we'd return to Antarctic waters. I'm just a penguin with a yearning to roam. Well, I'd march there if I could, but I don't think I'd make it too far. Let me see all penguin march. Let me see do your penguin march. If my legs were only longer, I'd get myself a rental car. Let me see I'll drive your car. Let me see you drive a penguin car. I could fly an airplane. I wouldn't be flightless anymore. I can soar beneath the water, but I've only gone as far as Cape Horn. Yeah, you got it. Now we go snorkeling off the coast of Bali, and we can sunbathe in La Costa del Sol. In Barbados we'd be boogie boarding. I heard Baja loves to rock and roll. I'd like to learn to samba in Rio, and we can two-step in New Orleans. In Havana we can mambo all summer long. I can only get there in my dreams. Well, I'd march there if I could, but I don't think I'd make it too far. Let me see a penguin march. Let me see you do your penguin march. If my legs were only longer, I'd get myself a rental car. Let me see you all drive your car. Let me see you drive your penguin car. I could fly an airplane. I wouldn't be flightless anymore. I can soar beneath the water, but I've only gone as far as Cape Horn. And you know what the grown-up penguins would say to me? They'd go, you were made for the cold. You'll understand when you're older. Can you wag your finger with me like a grown-up? You were made for the cold. You'll understand when you're older. Now all the penguins march with me. Here we go. I don't want to wait. 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 I don't understand. understand. I don't understand. Whew, friends, that is Snowbird. Thank you so much for doing all those dance moves, driving your cars, flying your planes with me. Now, that song is all about this penguin, right? Who wants to travel the world, but can't, right? Because penguins are made for certain climates. And yes, some of you may say, Farmer Dave, there are penguins that live in subtropical rainforests of New Zealand. True, but penguins are really made for certain climates. Just like we as humans, we wouldn't go to the bottom of the ocean, right? Because we don't belong in the bottom of the ocean, right? There's different environments that we can go to that are made for us. And that's one of the beautiful things about Earth, is that there's biospheres for all of the creatures.
And it's so easy